Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can edit with CapCut. Uh, I'm using CapCut for PC and anyway I think CapCut is one of the best apps because we can do everything with editing videos in one app. So how to use CapCut to create videos easily for setting adjustable font. You can just open after you download it and just import the videos, audios or photos that you want to edit and just drag here for make a clip. So you can check out the preview panel, timeline and toolbar picture here, and then you can split the clip by this icon and delete the clip by this icon, and you can freeze, reverse, rotate, mirror, crop. You can change the aspect ratio here, and you can add the audio, text, sticker, effect, transition, filters, and adjust for the speed, and remove the background by this cut out picture. Add the animation and just for the tracking for the object, and many more you can getting from CapCut. So uh, after you finish the editing the video, you can click the export button in the top right corner. I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut for video editing for the first time. So if you find it useful, don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please type it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to click thanks button. For appreciate. Bye bye.